Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to buy Indian stocks on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be walking through this on the IBKR client portal. First, visit the Interactive Brokers India website and click Open Account to start the application. You'll see an online form requesting your personal details. Fill in your name, email address, postal address, PAN card number, and bank details, including the MICR code. Choose the NSE account option to trade Indian stocks. Once you complete the form, you'll receive an account ID. Next, you'll need to submit physical documentation. Print the documents you receive, sign in all the specified places with 2 witness signatures, attach your photographs, and mail everything to the IB India New Accounts Department. This step is mandatory for NSE accounts. Your application will be processed once they receive your documents. Monitor your email for the account approval notification. Processing time varies, but once approved, you can start trading. After you get your account ID, transfer funds from your linked Indian bank account to your IB India account using the bank details provided during setup. Once the funds appear in your account balance, you're ready to trade. Log in to the IBKR client portal. From the trade menu, select Order Ticket. The order entry panel will appear with the Stocks tab selected. In the search bar at the top, type the stock symbol or company name you want to buy. When the search results appear, select the NSE listed stock. Click Buy Order to activate the buy side of the order form. Enter the number of shares you want to buy in the quantity field. Choose your order type from the drop-down below the quantity field. If you're using a market order, it'll execute immediately. If you select Limit, a price field will appear. Enter the price per share you're willing to pay. Click Preview at the bottom of the order ticket to see the commission breakdown. NSE commissions are 1 basis point with a minimum of 6 rupees and a maximum of 20 rupees per order. Review the details, then click Submit to place your order. You'll see a confirmation message, and the order will appear in your active orders list. To monitor your order, go to the Trade menu and select Orders and Trades. Your order will show as submitted, filled, or partially filled. If you need to modify or cancel before it fills, click the 3 dots on the far right and select Modify or Cancel. Once your order fills, the shares will be held in your DMAT account within IB India, and you can view your positions in the portfolio section. IB India offers free DMAT accounts with no account opening fees and no minimum activity fees. And there we go, buying Indian stocks on Interactive Brokers done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.